Hey boys and girls, it's your girl Tia's here and I am about to detangle my hair. Everyone say hi, Blue. Blue, say hi. He won't give me no space this morning. But yeah, see, there's a hot mess. It needs to be detangled, and it used to take me over an hour to detangle my hair. It was strenuous. It hurt. My hands used to be tired. My arm used to be tired. My head used to hurt. It was just too much. So I found this combo that helps me detangle my hair, and it literally is like 30 minutes or less. And I think I've gotten to the point where it just takes me like 10-15 minutes. But I'm going to show you guys the ingredients, and let's get this started. Bye, Blue. For this video, for the detangling process, you are going to need apple cider vinegar, whatever oil you use in your hair. Today I'm going to use the Black Castor, and some warm water, plus spray bottle. It's going to get us right. Blue! Alright, let's get this started. I have some already in here, but I usually just... Alright. And just shake it. Now you get to go to work. Alright, I'm about to part my hair and be back. Okay, so in this part, I am pinning my hair up, and I am going to start spraying and start detangling. When you detangle, you start from the bottom and work your way up, and this spray combination helps you smoothly get through it. So you just repeat the steps and you keep going. So keep watching. So I thought I was literally recording out of the lapse, but I wasn't. So I'm just literally showing you guys how my hair looks detangled, full body look, and basically, you know, telling you to like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching. You're amazing.